Creating a landing page from the Wix.com is a very straightforward process. Wix.com, if you don't know, is a very great website builder tool where you don't need to do coding and other programming stuff. And without that, even you can usually create crazy website just by drag and drop your elements and making a cool website. How can you create a landing page with Wix? Let's talk about this. You can simply create it. It's a very easy process. Go to the wix.com, log in, go to the AI builder of Wix. Here you can see an AI assistant. Don't forget to log in after logging in from Google or Facebook. Just simply write your question and answer. You can say here, you can say build a landing page that is yellow background and different stuff. After that, Wix AI will create you a landing page. Later you can edit it and make your own Wix landing page with Wix.com. So this was how you can create Wix.com's landing page without so much hush, and I'll see you in the next one.